Today I'm going to show you this green velvet with matte top and gold foil. Let's start with cleaning the nails. These nails are already cleaned as they're shaped. I have removed the cuticles and I've just buffed them with the buffer. Next is primer. I'm using this Mack's primer. As I said, it's my statement. I really like it. I'm very satisfied with the quality, and I would always recommend it to people because since I started using it, I have seen a big improvement. You wait 15 seconds now for it to dry, and once it's dried, you can apply the base. The base I'm using is BLUESKY base. It's not the rubber one. I'm going to be buying a rubber base next because I find better results with it. Nails don't break as easy as it is with the normal base, so stay tuned. Next shopping will be for the rubber base. See that people liked a lot my previous video with the yellow color, and it's been having more views than normal, which is I'm very happy. I don't know if the reason is the fact that the filming is better now and with the tripod, or just the color, but I'm working on improving the quality of these tutorials. So as you can see, I'm putting the base very carefully everywhere. I will only show you how to do one layer of the base, and then after that I will apply twice, but for the sake of video not getting too long, I will only show you once, and then you have to cure it for 60 seconds and then repeat. Also make sure to clean the sides. It will lift the nail. If it gets spilled out of your nail bed, it will later lift it because the shape will just be out in the skin, and then it will just get worse. So this is after 2 layers. I'm going to use this green velvet MyGel by MyLee. I only have one bottle of their gels. To be fair, I like them. I only got one as a present from my friend, so we can try it because she's a nail enthusiast as well, and I actually really enjoy this color and their products overall. They're quite good. I would recommend them, absolutely. Obviously, as you can see, this is just the first layer. I would apply 3 layers of it, but the first layer is not very opaque. The first layer is kind of see-through and not so opaque, but once we get to the last layer, you'll see the difference. I feel like this green is very appropriate for the season. It's dark green. Well, I know that the autumn colors are more brown, yellow, pumpkin, but I feel like this dark green is also a good color for this time. I don't know. I like it. Once you're done with the whole hand, make sure you bake every layer for 60 seconds, and this is what it looks once the 3 layers are put in. Quite good. So I'm gonna get this foil now and cut it on small tiny pieces because I want to just put this to the end. As you can see, it's like a little stripe of foil, and I want it to be just in the ending, like we are ending the nail with some foil. This was my idea. It didn't exactly turn the way I wanted it and I thought it would, but I still liked it. To be fair, like, I still liked the result. The only thing is, like, I didn't think it would be as hard to do this, but I think it's because of the small surface, and I'm sorry that you can't see everything, but it's really like hard to film it in the appropriate angle. So right now getting those. They're good. I thought I'm going to use one stripe for one nail, but turned out one stripe was enough for the whole hand, so you don't need to cut 5 like I did. I cut like more, but I only used 2 of them because I wanted it to look not like straight squarey. I wanted it to look like patchy and edgy, like we meant it to be messy. I want it to be like here and there, and you know, a bit free, like to suit the way it wants, to look the way it wants. So I'm a big fan of foils, as you can tell. But today I wanted to show foils with matte top. So it's a bit different than what we usually do. I usually don't use matte too much, for the simple reason that they don't last a lot. I've even spoke to nail technicians and everyone, and they all tell me like matte does not last. First I'm going to apply this normal base, like shiny ones from Blue Sky. 2 layers of it, just to make sure the foil is sealed in. We don't want it to be falling apart or anything. Also, when you do this, you know, the foil, if you press harder, the foil pieces kind of like drag down towards the nail, which I really like this effect because it looks like little glittery pieces coming downwards, which I feel like it's a great effect. I enjoyed it. It wasn't attempted, but I like the results, so I won't complain. I feel like learning nails from home is always something that you learn different things every day. You do your nails, you just learn new thing, and you see how the things work from your own experience. It's not like because someone taught you. Well, you could also learn stuff from internet or from people you talk to, but majority of the things I've learned is from my own experience. I try something, it doesn't work, then I try again, and you know, that's how it goes. So now I'm going to apply 2 layers, and once I'm done with the 2 layers, it will be ready for the matte. So you see, matte is kinda white and milky. Make sure you apply it everywhere. If you don't apply everywhere, it will be very patchy. You'll have some shiny areas and some matte areas. It won't look good. That's why I applied 2 coats of the matte as well. It's a very dangerous game if you don't. So I've already applied 2 coats of the matte. Previously to that, I've applied 2 coats of the not matte top. It really depends what kind of products you're using. As I said, I have nail technicians, they're only using 1 layer of the product, if you're using some really strong products, this could be, you know, enough. One layer could be enough, but in my case it's not, so I'm using 2 layers. So I've wiped the top coat, so you can see they're already turning kinda matte. Just give it a few more minutes. I really like how it turns, but now when I put the cream, that would be that won't be matte anymore. I really like to put cream in the end. I don't know why, but I always enjoy when I went to nails and get my nails done somewhere. I always like to get cream, even though no one pays me to do this. I do it for free for my mom, but I still really like it, so I can't complain. I want her to enjoy it as well. So once you're done, you have to wipe them again. But this is the final result, and I really hope you liked it. It's something different. Matte is not so common, but I hope you liked my idea, and I hope you subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!